What are the benefits of rubber mats in your horse stables? Installing good quality rubber matting in your stables has an extensive range of benefits for you and your horses. Benefit number 1, lower stable maintenance costs. Mucking out and cleaning your stables is something that needs to be done on a regular basis to keep your horses healthy and to keep your stables from getting too smelly. If you have rubber flooring mats in your stables, manure, wasted feed, soiled bedding are easily swept, shovelled or raked up. Rubber stable mats can also be hosed down and disinfected easily, and the non-porous rubber surface will clean up very nicely. Research has shown that non-porous vulcanized-sealed rubber surfaces, like Numat's Kura matting, have lower microbial counts than concrete. Benefit number 2, reduced bedding costs. If you have a nice thick stable mat, you can greatly reduce or even eliminate the need for any additional bedding for your horses. Horses will be quite comfortable lying on the soft rubber surface. Given the rising cost of traditional bedding materials such as wood shavings, installing rubber can mean a massive cost saving for your outfit. Just a small amount of absorbent bedding in the corner or the back of the stable might be all you need to soak up the urine, if you don't have enough drainage or slope for it to run off. If you do have good drainage and wash the floor regularly, you can get away without bedding altogether. Benefit number 3, horse comfort. Rubber stable flooring has great insulating properties and is therefore quieter, warmer and more comfortable than many other flooring options. Thick rubber mats will absorb almost all sounds made by your horse's feet moving on the ground. As a result, your horses will be calmer and easier to handle. Benefit number 4, animal health. Rubber flooring is better for joint and hoof health. Stable mats play an important role in the overall health of your horses. Leg soundness, circulation and fatigue are affected by the flooring material, with soft floor surfaces generally being preferred over hard floor surfaces. The problem with many soft flooring surfaces such as dirt or sand is that they are high maintenance and will need levelling and resurfacing on a regular basis. Rubber matting can be installed over gravel or concrete, and once it's laid it shouldn't need to be touched again for many years. Rubber matting will reduce the risk of falls and injuries, increase impact absorption and improve tendon and joint health. However, it's worth noting that there are many different kinds of rubber stable mats available on the market. The various thicknesses and designs will have a different effect on the impact absorption, the padding and the insulation properties of the matting. For best impact absorption and joint health, Numat recommends using the Kura interlocking mats. This product is nice and thick and comes with a 10-year guarantee. This guarantee means you can go 10 years without having to replace or resurface your old dirt, clay or gravel stable flooring. And finally, benefit number 5. Rubber matting provides a safer anti-slip surface. Horses often slip and struggle when getting up from a concrete floored stable, and even despite the layer of bedding, which is easily scraped through. On the other hand, rubber mats give a similar grip to what a horse would normally experience on the ground outdoors in a more natural circumstance. Given the wide range of mat products available today, it is important to choose a product that has a grippy, textured surface, such as our Kura matting. Kura has a durable, grippy, textured surface that provides maximum traction, reducing slipping and fall injuries. Lastly, while stable mats require an initial investment, they soon pay themselves back with the money saved on buying other forms of bedding and the time saved on labour.